As everybody knows, it's been difficult to be able to get your hands on a decent capture card these days because everybody's hoarding HDMI capture cards as well as webcams. Now, when shopping online, even on like Newegg, people are still price gouging. Now, one company, at least locally in my area, that is not price gouging is BestBuy. They still sell for MSRP, so I was able to pick up this ELGATO 4K capture card for $129. It did take over a week to be able to get it for in-store pickup, but they did go ahead and bring it right out to my car and just dropped right through my window after they saw my order ID on my phone. So now I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Let's check it out. So here we got the ELGATO CAMLINK 4K. And that is very simplistic. Looks like just a USB extension cord and the CAMLINK itself, and of course the port to be able to plug in a HDMI video source. And looks like here got a sticker and an instruction manual. And that is it. So it just says here to download the ELGATO 4K capture utility to get started, and it's got the download link right there. That's it for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and slap that like button and go ahead and click on subscribe if you haven't already, and if you click on that little bell for the notifications, you'll be notified of each of my next releases as they come out. Now if you really hated this video, I'm sorry, but thank you for making it all the way through this video. I'm going to show you how to do a mega dislike, and to be able to do a mega dislike you have to slap dislike twice and then do like 3 times, and then it's mega disliked. Thank you so much for watching. Testing 1, 2, 3. There we go. All right. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Oh, hey, you're still here. Alright, so I'm going to share something with you, my shiniest of friends. This came in from Taiwan, although for some reason it looks like that it also got routed through China. But anyways, this is going to be something I'm going to be opening up in an upcoming video. So if you have not already subscribed and hit that like button, go ahead and do that now. Then go ahead and click on that bell icon so that you can be notified of every new release that I go ahead and post. If anybody can guess what this is correctly in the comment section down below, the first person to do so is going to win something.